Hey there, speed demons, just got yourself a shiny new sedan? Congratulations! Whether it's a Toyota, a Suzuki, or a Nissan, you've got yourself a reliable set of wheels. But hold on. Before you hit the open road, let's talk about keeping that beauty running smoothly for years to come. Now I know what you're thinking. Maintenance? That's boring, but trust me, a little bit of care goes a long way. Think of it like this. You wouldn't run a marathon without stretching first, right? Your car's the same way. A little TLC keeps it in tip-top shape and prevents those nasty surprises down the road. So, buckle up, gearheads. We're about to dive into the essential maintenance tips for your new sedan. We'll cover everything from fluids to tires, lights to cleaning, and even give you some handy DIY tips. Get ready to become a master of your machine. Toyota. The name itself screams reliability, right? But even the toughest machines need a little love. First things first, crack open that owner's manual. Toyota's got specific recommendations for oil changes, filter replacements, and all that good stuff. Now let's talk fluids. Engine oil is like the lifeblood of your car. Keep it clean and topped up. And don't forget the coolant. It prevents your engine from turning into a molten mess. Brake fluid is crucial too, ensuring you can stop on a dime. Lastly, those spark plugs. They ignite the fuel in your engine, so keeping them fresh ensures a smooth ride. Remember, a well-maintained Toyota is a happy Toyota. And a happy Toyota means a happy driver. Suzuki, small but mighty. These zippy cars are perfect for city driving, but don't let their size fool you. They need just as much care as their bigger brothers. Suzuki recommends regular checks on the air filter. A clean filter means better fuel efficiency and a happier engine. Next up, transmission fluid. It might not be as talked about as engine oil, but it's equally important. Regular checks and changes ensure smooth gear shifts and prevent costly repairs down the line. And hey, while you're at it, give those belts a good look-see. Cracked or frayed belts can spell trouble, so better to catch them early. Remember, regular maintenance keeps your Suzuki running like a champ, so don't neglect it. A little effort today saves you a whole lot of hassle tomorrow. Nissan, known for its performance and style. But even the sleekest Nissan needs regular tune-ups to stay in top form. Nissan emphasizes regular brake inspections. Brakes are your lifeline on the road, so keeping them in top condition is non-negotiable. Next, let's talk battery care. Modern Nissans are packed with electronics, putting a heavy load on the battery. Get it checked regularly and replace it when needed. And while we're on the topic of electronics, don't forget those sensors. From oxygen sensors to mass airflow sensors, they all play a crucial role in keeping your engine running smoothly. Remember, a well-maintained Nissan is a joy to drive. It's all about staying ahead of the game and addressing potential issues before they become major headaches. Let's talk fluids, folks. We've touched upon them briefly, but they deserve a section of their own. Your car's got a whole bunch of fluids, each with a specific job. Engine oil lubricates the moving parts of your engine, preventing friction and wear. Coolant keeps the engine from overheating. Brake fluid transmits the force from your foot to the brakes. Transmission fluid ensures smooth gear changes, while power steering fluid makes turning the wheel a breeze. Each fluid has a recommended service interval. Check your owner's manual or consult a trusted mechanic. Don't wait for a leak or a warning light to take action. Remember, regular fluid checks and changes are the easiest and most effective way to prevent major problems down the road. It's like giving your car a regular dose of vitamins. Now let's move on to the things that connect your car to the road, the tires. Tire pressure is crucial for safety and fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires wear out faster and can even lead to blowouts. Overinflated tires make for a bumpy ride and reduce traction. Check your tire pressure regularly and adjust it according to your car's recommendations. Next up, tire rotation. Rotating your tires ensures even wear and tear, extending their lifespan. And while you're at it, take a good look at the tread. The tread is what grips the road, so make sure it's deep enough to provide adequate traction in all conditions. Remember, tires are your car's only contact with the road. Taking care of them ensures a safe and enjoyable driving experience. Let's shed some light on another crucial aspect of car maintenance: the lights. Headlights, taillights, brake lights, turn signals, they're all essential for safety. Regularly check for burned-out bulbs and replace them promptly. And hey, while you're at it, give those lenses a good cleaning. Dirty lenses can reduce visibility, especially at night. Next up, the windshield wipers. They might seem like a small thing, but they play a big role in maintaining clear visibility during rain or snow. Replace worn-out wiper blades promptly to ensure a clear view of the road ahead. And don't forget the windshield washer fluid. It helps keep your windshield clean and free of grime. Remember, clear visibility is paramount for safe driving. Regularly checking and maintaining your car's lights and wipers ensures you can see and be seen on the road. Now let's talk about keeping your sedan sparkling clean. Regular car washes are a must, but don't stop there. Give the interior some love too. Vacuum the carpets and seats, dust the dashboard and console, and clean the windows. A clean car is a happy car, and a happy car makes for a happy driver. But cleaning goes beyond just aesthetics. Regularly cleaning your car's engine bay can help prevent corrosion and make it easier to spot potential issues. And don't forget the undercarriage. Washing away road salt and grime helps protect your car's underbelly from rust and damage. Remember, keeping your car clean is about more than just appearances. It's about protecting your investment and ensuring its longevity. Every car owner should have a basic toolkit handy. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, but a few essential tools can save you a trip to the mechanic for minor issues. A set of screwdrivers, pliers, wrenches, a tire pressure gauge, and a jack are good starting points. With these tools, you can handle simple tasks like changing a flat tire, replacing a burned-out bulb, or tightening a loose bolt. There are plenty of resources available online and in libraries that can guide you through these simple DIY tasks. Remember, a little DIY knowledge goes a long way. It empowers you to handle minor car issues on your own, saving you time and money. Well folks, there you have it, the essential maintenance tips for your new sedan. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in keeping your car running smoothly and safely for years to come. Regular checks, timely maintenance, and a little DIY spirit can save you a lot of hassle and expense down the road. So go ahead and enjoy that new car smell. Hit the open road, explore new places, and create lasting memories. And as you cruise along, remember that a well-maintained sedan is more than just a machine. It's your trusty companion on life's adventures. Happy driving.